Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about the pochette Clé Spring 2019 by Virgil Abloh. So I bought it on Vuitton.com and received it in this nice branded box. It's actually the first time that I got anything from the website, so I was very surprised to find it because it was like sold out everywhere. So when I got it, I opened the package and I noticed that the canvas was a little bit stretched out. So I don't know if you see that. It doesn't, I mean, it's not a big deal, but to me, when I spent more than $500 on something like this, I want it to be perfect on that side as well. So I tried for a couple of days to stuff it with paper, and it didn't do anything. I was about to return it, but I called the Louis Vuitton hotline, and the lady on the phone told me that probably the reason why there is an indentation right there is because it was stored with the chain inside. So when I went back on the website, of course it wasn't available because I wanted to buy it again and then return this one. The day after, I checked again in the morning and I found it. So I bought it again. So I'm going to show you what is the difference between both. And this one is the new one that I received. And you can see that it's perfect. So that's the new one in perfect condition. And this is the old one. And you can see that indentation right there. That's the receipt. So that's the exchange and return policy. They tell you you can return it within 30 days. And then thank you. Pochette Clé Monogram SO, I think Solar something, like Monogram Solar, I think that's the name of the collection. M44 487. So what you can see, it's the key pouch with the skew, and that's the receipt. So it's hard to see, but inside it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, défilé homme, printemps-été 2019. So that would be men's fashion show, spring-summer 2019. So on the back you have, on the back or the front, depends, you have like a metallic thing over there with the Louis Vuitton flower. The same metal is seen on the zipper pull. Each link has LV engraved. It looks like it's plastic. The carabiner or the hook has LV engraved. So that's it for today's video. I'm going to return this one. So make sure that if you get it in store, make sure that it's perfect and that they don't store the chain inside. That's the only thing. Like the video if you did, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.